Rocker Pat here. All right, guys, it's another hot rocking day in the jungle. And man, look at that big, beautiful Texas sky. And it is Friday. I got to get this car out there and give it a little bit of a bath today. I've been working on the Monte Carlo, and man, that damn rabbit is leaving crap everywhere. Let's see, what have I been doing? I have been hammering the crap out of this Fender, and I am at the point where I've spent way too much time on this this piece of shit right here. But I don't really have an extra $250, $350 to go buy a Fender. So what I'm going to do is leave it the way it is right now. Go ahead and do a little bit of mud work on it. And then we're just going to be looking for a Fender. I'll be going over to the pick and pull over off of Wallaceville Road, and the big pick and pull here. And and then there's a little smaller one closer to me, and I will keep checking with them until I find me a Fender that I can use for a reasonable amount of money. And a reasonable amount of money to me is less than a freaking $100. Let's see what I got going though. The biggest problem I'm having is this lip right here is just horrendous. And you can see where they've drilled holes in it. They were trying to pull it out. I've got it open on the back side, but there's another lip that goes up inside there that sticks back this far, and that's to hold the inner fender well in place. And with that all in place, it's hard to get to this upper area, and I just cannot get it to push out. I need it to come out to here, almost level with this, in order to get it to be where it's supposed to be. But I just can't get it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a layer of the short strand fiberglass in this zone. We just have to build it up. I'm gonna come in and weld all these. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong part. I'm gonna come in and weld up all these little holes that are drilled in this. Here, it's an Audi. It's got a kind of a bulge going on right there. I'm gonna go ahead and relieve that with a cut. There's another one over here that I'm gonna relieve this with a cut. I'm not gonna get this fender perfect by any means. This up here, we're just gonna weld all this up, and I'm gonna re-bondo, or it's not bondo, I'm gonna use short strand fiberglass so it's not so prone to cracking and everything. And I'm just gonna keep an eye out for another fender. Yeah, because I'm getting tired of, yeah, that just does not look good at all. I mean, woo! Anyway, guys, that's what I got to deal with, and I need to hurry the hell up because this project is taking way too damn long, and I still got to deal with what's going on the bottom of both of the doors. Today's project is go ahead and get all this welded up over here. I'm going to get, there's a hole right there that needs to be welded up. On the other side of this is there's a structural I-beam kind of thing that goes inside the door, and that's why it's got that nice sharp cut right there, is because that I-beam is now, it's just being a problem. You can't tap that in because of the beam. So I got to deal with that. That quarter panel is basically done, and then today, since it's on the lift, I'm going to go ahead and cut that piece out and weld a new piece in there. This side's looking great. I'm ready, almost ready for paint on this side, and I mean paint ready over here on this side. Maybe a coat of high build and one more blocking, and we'll be ready for paint there. The trunk lid's basically ready to go into high build. This quarter panel's ready to go into high build. I took the wheels off of the car and put them over here on Johnny, and Johnny's looking good with another set of wheels on him and everything. And I did that because I don't want to be painting around the decent wheels, and Johnny's wheels are just rollers anyway for situations like you need to paint something. He's got a brand new set in the box up there. All right, guys, well, it's 5 minutes of me rambling and on and not working. So y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. I got some more grinding it down to do. Stupid ass son of a bitch and rabbit leaving shut holes like that.